19 na sila ngayon.
Tayo lang to.
Di ko alam. May kowa na ata. Ayun na.
Diyan na may blob na. Wait lang ah.
Dismounted na dito.
Okay.
Spawned dyan.
Dismount boys, dismount.
Level 23 na tayo. Ayun na sila Sir Ulis. Ancient na kayo.
Food.
Still holding hero on ping.
Take space boys, left and right. Take space.
Magro-rotate ako sa side dyan.
One skip away. Ayun na.
Nag-food check na. Nag-OC na rin.
Oh, sige.
Come back boys, come back. Come like southwest more southwest. Wait.
Sotes, hey!
Hey, you are too far from the caller, boys.
Yo, stay away from Koa, boys. Don't follow the purple.
Boys ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute. Okay, come back. Spread. Come back southwest. Get southwest.
They gonna look now. They going in.
Wait. Demon. Push through now. Push through. Heal.
Iside mo yung iside mo yung kowa, Ker.
Southeast, we got the bomb squad. We got the in.
Boys, look at the spam. Ready. 5 on the spam. 4.
They're looking. Wait, defense.
Demon ready. 5, 4, 3 on the back. 2, 1 on the back. It's the whole back line, boys. Delete the shit.
Nice.
Finish them. Okay, come back. Spread. Spread, boys. Spread. Hug the outpost. Wait. Hide. Hide and look at the spam. Heal me. Can you heal me? Wait, spread, boys. Spread. Hey, DPS ready in shop. DPS ready. DPS ready. 5. Wait. There's a fake. Ready, boys. On the back line. 5, 4. On the crown. 3, 2, 1. On me now. It's the whole family again. Delete this shit. Please, give me more damage. Spread.
They're gonna bail, I guess.
Spread.
No.
Kiting west sila, kiting.
Spread. Go west. Push to west. Just ready to giga our demon. Wait. 8 seconds, boys. 8 seconds. Look at the crown again. Crown ready. 5, 4.
They're looking.
3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the tree now. On the tree now. Me, please. Just excuse doubles to everyone.
They bail, bro.
Touch everyone.
Kill the healer.
Kill everyone. There's one T8 gears on me. One T8 gears.
Be careful on the southeast. They can engage, ha?
Ano ba? Tumatakbo na, hindi pa.
No. They're still in south. Yeah. They're up the hill southwest. They're up the hill.
Engaging.
Holy shit.
Wait. Boys, wait.
Wait for the color.
Look at the spawns, boys. Push through. Ready, boys. On the spawn. 5, 4, 3,
They
2,
fucking
1.
regearing, bro.
1 minute. Come up the hill. Push her up the hill.
Give cleanses on the choke.
I do the heal. Careful now.
Defensive.
Demon. Okay. Spread. Wait, ready, boys. 10 seconds. Wait. 5. On the spam, boys. Ready. 5, 4. Wait. 5, 4. On the crown. 3, 2, 1. On me now, boys. Delete the shit, please. Give me damage. Ba't di natin natatapos yung kill? Okay, come back. Down, up the hill. You spread. Up the hill.
Hindi natin naubos, gago.
Spread up the hill.
They fucking regearing non-stop, okay?
Wait, boys.
Hindi, I mean,
Ready.
full delete.
Boys, 5 seconds, boys. Wait. Kill, sustain party. Ready, 5,
Shit.
4, 3, 2, 1. Boys, on me now, please. Lead.
Very cool.
Come back up then. Sustain, please. Sustain the party. Tough off. Can you kill W's this fucking brawler? Wait, they're gonna look. Hey, can you kill this low guy? Kill the one low guy.
Okay, engaging.
Hold.
Fail.
Down the hill again. Look down the hill again. Ready, boys. Ready. 5. Down the hill. Wait, boys. Wait. On the ground. Ready. 5.
Bailing na, Ker.
They bailing now.
3, 2, 1. Touch everyone.
One guy here on me. Current caller. On me. On ping.
Holy shit, these fucking
On
zombies,
ping.
bro.
Touch everyone, but don't touch too far.
Ito sa akin. Low HP ito.
Gago, ang lalaki nung
On ping.
Gago, sinong DPS yung dito matama?
Tingnan,
Kasi yung
tingnan,
lalaki
tingnan,
ng cloud,
tingnan.
hindi full delete.
Boys, ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After the cleric.
Sacrificed himself, bro. They were a good guy. Konkak. Huang brother. Kill him. Aniki. Huang brother.
Don't let him zone.
He's in combat. Please. Fuck, why did I GA?
Ready, 5, 4...
Ah,
Yo, CCTV north side, CCTV north side, CCTV north.
Okay. We kill down. Okay, mount up, boys. Mount up. Ilang days, sir? Yes.
Level 12 DA. On here, on ping. Going south now, on ping, going
Mount up,
ping.
mount up. Very good.
20
Going on
data.
ping, still on ping. Di pa ata final DA to, Kera.
Okay. We go. Kahit southeast. Wait lang. Hintayin natin.
Staying here, level 12. Holding here now.
Just come southeast for now.
Still holding.
Ilang day na?
Careful,
May another block, may another.
there's a invi helper, okay? Careful.
Lumaki yata.
Dismounted here on the beach.
Ilang day na, Sod?
Level 12 pa rin.
CCTV
It's
24.
27!
27.
Dismounted at the road.
Pwede to, actually, pwede to.
Yeah, we 21, right?
Tara, sayang OC eh. Tara kaya,
Yeah,
tara.
Dismounter.
Ito, pitasin nyo ito,
They are on my finger,
ito.
okay?
May mga bobo na wakabulo, pitasin nyo ito. Ito, umit sa akin, ito gago.
28 now.
They already
They dismounted here, they dismounted here on the west side here.
Right here. Then we OC break.
Holy
Please,
shit.
Please look at my crown, please boys. Please. I need your damage, please.
Kuha dyan si Jets.
Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boys. Is the whole backline, delete the shit, please. Okay, come back again. Where you came from? Come back where you came from. Wait. Come back where you came from. Wait.
Too many bit of mount.
Okay, come to me now, boys.
Mag-spam
Look where I am.
ka siguro. Find the spam, boys.
Boys ready, boys. 5 seconds.
They're kiting on the west side.
Boys ready. Wait. Boys ready.
They're gonna look
5,
now.
Back 3, 2. Fuck, I got bumped. Okay, come back, boys. Come back. Save. Come back. Spread. Demon.
Tayo ata magka-kite, tayo ata mag...
Demon.
Puta, solo demon ako dun ah.
Sustain, boys. 10 seconds, boys. 10 seconds. Heal. Boys, come back. Southwest. Push to southwest now. Boys, ready now, boys. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boys, on me now. Fuck those, no damage. Spread again, spread. Take space left and right. They gonna
Push through, motherfucker!
Don't fight back, boys. Come back. Come to me. Look at me.
Find the crown, boys.
10 seconds, boys. Chill. Ang daming wala doon kanina sa crown ko, gago. Wait. They gonna look. They gonna hit you. Wait. Demon. Ready to demon. Boys, ready. 5. Ready. 5. 4 at the back. 3, 2, 1. On the back now. Please, it's all clotty. Please delete the shit.
Oh, I see.
Come back again.
Defensive.
Demon. Heal.
They just engage on the west gear, okay?
Heal. Boys, look at the crown, please. Look at the crown. We're engaging at their clothes, but we can kill it, okay? Wait. 10 seconds.
I GA them.
Look at the crown. Look at the crown, boys. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Please. I'm begging you. Please. Okay, come back again. Come back. We have good defense. Come back. Spread. Hide. You hide. Just hide. Don't be clump.
Out!
Big clump. Wait. Boys. Wait. Look at the spams. Wait. They're looking at us now. Ready, boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the other side of the tree now. On the tree now, please. Okay. Spread again. We can't delete. Spread. Look at me now. Look. Find me, boys. Find me. We do one last engage and then we will, okay? Wait. If you can heal. Boys, ready inside. 5. Wait. 3, 2, 1. On the crown now. Okay, bail now. Bail. We can delete. Bail. Serious, mag-bail na kami. Serious, ah.
Bail na kayo.
Marami pa ba kayo? Wait, boys. Wait. Marami pa ba kayo?
One party pa.
Okay,
Level
sige.
15 tayo, level 15
Boys,
pa tayo.
Fine. Okay, wait, they're gonna look at demon. Wait.
Come back to your caller.
Wait.
Nag-repo lang ako ah.
Okay, wait, boys. Wait. Ready. Look at me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now.
Magka-kite ako, small choke.
Come back. Push to south. Push to west. Push to to west, you need to go 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 west.
On ping, come to ping, come to ping.
You need to go west.
Come to
west,
ping,
you need to go west.
southwest.
I don't think we can. Just save yourselves, boys. Save yourselves, save yourselves. Gonna run na, Sir Arias. ah.
Fuck.
Kuya Guido! What the fuck?
Let me live, motherfucker!
Motherfucker,
Tignan mo
let
sa
me
minimap,
go.
ano? Tignan mo sa minimap, malupit pag nawawala ka.
Oh my god,
Pwede
thank you
mo
for
rin
the hill jabol.
i-zoom yung ano, yung map mismo. If you die,
Saan kayo? Saan kayo? Saan?
Nagbilang kami serious.
Lima na lang kami sa party.
Gago ka! Let me live! Tangina, 1 million death wave ko dito, fuck!
Kulang-kulang engage natin. Kulang-kulang damage.
Ba't pa ako bumalik?
Kompleto naman
Primo.
tayo, di ba?
Keep moving, Primo.
Goodbye, Primo.
Eh, don't.
Nigger! Let me out!
Yeah, zone boys, zone.
Ba't pa ako bumalik?
We come back portal, we both review quickly. Then we sleep.
Tangina mo, 1 mil death wave ko!
Thanks for the hill jabol. Saan? Walkie-walkie? Okay, wag na. Thank you. Mag-auto run na sana ako.
CCTV ba yon? Yung kanina?
Oo.
Laki gago. Tangina.
Ayun ba yung
27
tumitingin
DA.
natin dati ng 2 beses? Sa DRP, tsaka dun sa GMB?
Hindi. Di ba, taigil din eh, di ba?
Hindi
Di-
tayo yun.
Ay, di ba
Chinese
tayo?
yun eh. Sila yun, di
Di
ba?
ko maalala.
Di ko maalala kung CCTV ba yan. Alala ko nga, arirang yun dati.
Gago, paano tayo
Ah.
ma-delete yung naliligaw lahat ng pierce so walang white dot na pakalapit sa blue dot.
Walang peace.
Tatlong pierce mo naliligaw, ikaw nasa west ka, yung pierce mo nasa east, nakikipag-brawl.
Oh my god.
Ay, naka.
Wait. Uwi lang kami. Then we both.
Ang na.
Wala kasing
Feel
pangalan.
ko, yung kanina, yung mga naliligaw, parang yan yung mga naliligaw pag may city tayo dahil sa 12 eh.
Yung DPS mong si Kezaya, ako si Marco, nandun kami na yung red dot na nandun eh.